Hello friends, welcome to Healthy and Tasty Options. Today I'm going to show restaurant style tasting super delicious peanut chutney with very less oil. It's commonly served at all Indian restaurants and everybody's favorite chutney. It goes well with most of the South Indian breakfasts like idli, dosa, vada, Mysore bonda, aloo bonda, etc. As peanuts are little high in calories, I usually keep its portion minimal by compensating with tasty vegetable chutneys like tomato, ridge gourd, mint, squash, and ginger chutney, green leaves powder, etc. I usually don't tamper chutneys unless I have guests coming over. Peanuts are also known as groundnuts. These nuts are rich source of monounsaturated fats. Heart-healthy fat helps lower the bad cholesterol levels. A good source of fiber, have more protein than any other nut, but as it's high in calories, portion control is very much important. Let's get started. Let's see roasting peanuts in air fryer. Add 1 cup of peanuts in air fryer basket. Air fry at 370 Fahrenheit for 5 minutes. Place peanuts underneath the mesh to avoid peanuts peel flying around. Air fry again at 370 Fahrenheit for 5 minutes. Or air fry a little longer based on the color. You can see peanuts are roasted well. Let's see dry roasting peanuts in pan. Heat the pan. Add 1 cup of peanuts. Keep mixing in the middle on medium flame. Dry roast until brown color. I'm saving a lot of oil by dry roasting peanuts without compromising on taste. Take little tamarind, wash once. Soak for 10 minutes or 5 minutes with hot water. Heat the pan. Add 1 teaspoon of oil. Add half a teaspoon of cumin seeds. Three garlic cloves. 5 green chilli, 3 teaspoon or 1 tablespoon of split chickpeas, 1 teaspoon urad dal, 1/4 cup of onion pieces. Now mix all together. Cook on medium flame for 4 to 5 minutes or until everything is roasted well. Let it cool down. Add roasted mix in a grinder jar. Add 1/4 cup of roasted split chickpeas or daliya. Roasted peanuts. I usually make chutneys along with peel. As peanut peel is rich in antioxidants, roasting also increases this capacity. Add half a teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon coconut powder, and then grind the dry ingredients. It will be coarse powder. Add tamarind along with water. Grind to smooth paste by adding enough water. After tasting once, add salt and chilli as needed and then grind again. Dilute with more water as per your choice of consistency and then grind again. Super tasty peanut chutney with just 1 teaspoon of oil is ready. You must try this recipe. Kids and everyone will enjoy well. This is optional tampering. Heat the same pan. Add 1 teaspoon oil, 2 red chillies. This is the minimum oil needed for tampering. If you want, add 2 to 3 teaspoons of oil. Add cumin seeds, mustard seeds, pinch of turmeric for color, 2 finely chopped garlic cloves, and few curry leaves. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes or until dry. You can see chutney still looks awesome with 1 teaspoon oil of tampering. This is going to be simply amazing. You might not have tried with less oil so far. Try it once, you will definitely love it. Wherever you can cut down the calories without compromising on taste. See you again with more healthy and tasty options. Thank you for watching.